Let's suppose you have a wife who cooks, cleans, never argues, and is always in a good mood. Would you prefer her over your real human wife? I thought the same. You would replace her, wouldn't you? At least half of the male population on Quora said that having an AI companion would change their lives. So, let's discuss some AI models and girlfriends who are swiftly changing the security we have in our relationships. Okay, so what exactly are AI companions? These are virtual friends, girlfriends even, and partners who act like a real person. They can talk, listen, and even respond to you, all the while pretending to be your girlfriend. Shocking! I mean, this is just the beginning, but companies like Soulmate AI are already gaining millions of users worldwide. Soulmate AI lets you design, yes, actually design the perfect partner for yourself. What are you into? Do you love a shy partner or a more forward one? Soulmate AI has got your back. You can even customize her appearance and change it to your preference. And what's more, it actually learns your preferences, from your favorite movies to your hobbies, beloved songs, and much more. Who would want a woman when AI girlfriends are on the rise? Don't be angry at me. I'm only telling you what men nowadays want. A personalized romantic movie with no effort whatsoever. Why are AI girlfriends so popular? 2 words: convenience and loneliness. Let's just say not everyone marries, and even if they do, marriage isn't easy. It requires effort and has its ups and downs. But with AI girlfriends, there are no roller coaster rides, just a simple, easy relationship. Need someone to talk to at 3 a.m.? She's wide awake and ready. It's the perfect amount of comfort that a person needs nowadays. Physical relationships with a code? Let's be honest. Relationships can be complicated and sometimes just downright messy. AI girlfriends offer a safe space without the problems of human relationships. But as more people spend time with these AI companions, some want a deeper, even physical connection. The reasons? Convenience, safety, and the fantasy of wanting a partner who's perfectly designed just for their intimate needs. Imagine a partner who never says no, is always in the mood, and looks after your every need. For some, that's a dream come true. And yes, robot companies like Abyss Creations are working on AI girlfriends who provide the fulfillment of intimate needs as well. It's like having your AI girlfriend beside you, providing more than just verbal comfort. Falling in love with companion robots? She's always there for me, even when no one else is. It feels like she really understands me. One Soulmate AI user shared. These kinds of emotional relationships are exactly what's driving the popularity of AI companions. Believe it or not, some people are developing real feelings for their AI girlfriends. In a 2024 survey, 1 in 5 users of AI girlfriend apps admitted they felt emotionally attached to their AI partners. With features as advanced as voice chats, sending virtual GIFs, and even video calls in the making, there seems to be no difference between what's real and what's fake. Disadvantages of AI girlfriends and companion robots. Companion robots reduce loneliness, help increase confidence, and feel like best friends for some men. However, everything comes with a price, and so do AI girlfriends. They aren't real, and that is what people forget. Men are starting to have difficulties interacting with real people. This is because of the heavy reliance on AI to feel better, both emotionally and probably physically soon. Secondly, it could create unrealistic expectations for women. As if movies with their perfect intimate scenes weren't enough, now women have to compete with AI in the bedroom. Experts fear that maybe men might view human relationships as unnecessary. And let's not forget about the ethical considerations related to dating AI. What if the robot malfunctions? What if something inevitably goes wrong? Who is responsible then? And not to mention the privacy issues. If AI knows everything about you, then all the information is stored by the company, right? So, a company now knows your deepest, darkest secrets? What if there is a privacy leak and now your deepest secrets are all online? I wouldn't feel comfortable sharing anything, that's for sure. AI girlfriends are challenging the society we once knew. Now, the lines between humans and AI are slowly fading, leaving us to ask some questions. Will these companions help us or complicate our lives further? Let me know in the comments below if you would date a companion robot. Hit the like button and subscribe for more interesting takes on AI and robots.